Hey, alright guys, I welcome you to this video where I'll be showing you how to switch in different screen mode in Photoshop. On the left hand side of the toolbar here, you will see at the bottom side here, just right click, you will see different screen mode here. We have the standard screen mode, we have the full screen mode with menu bar, we have the full screen mode. The first one is standard one that is shown on your Canva here, while the second one is, let me switch on second one. The second will still have a little functionality like this, a toolbar along with the screen mode, while the last one is full screen mode without showing anything. Now that is how to switch from one screen mode to another, but the shortcut for it is ordinary F. Press F on your keyboard. As I press F on my keyboard, it switch to the standard screen mode. If I press F now, it will switch to the second, which is the full screen mode with bar, while the last one is the total screen mode in which it won't show anything. It depends on what you are trying to achieve while designing. If you find this video helpful, like this video and share this video to your friend. I'll be expecting your comment at the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye for now.